Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting the 10-5200 microjet assembly, originally made by Hydro. This is one of the most popular jets that was used back in the day in Whirlpool jetted bathtubs. It is sold complete as you see it here. Comes with 1-inch water line and a 1-inch air line. The water sealing gasket in between the wall flange and the jet body, and the nozzle and lock ring. You could just order the jet face wall fitting separately. The part number for this is 10-3700. It comes with the wall flange, the lock ring, the eyeball, and the gasket. Also, the lock ring and the eyeball is also sold separately. The part number is 10-3710. All these parts only come in white. The diameter of the jet face is 2 and 27/32. The diameter threads of the lock ring is 1 5/16 inches. The outside diameter of the eyeball is 1 1/16. And the diameter of the male threads is 1 41/64 inches. Okay, if you needed to change this microjet assembly, let me show you how it goes together. First, you're going to want to take the eyeball and lock ring out so you can get the tool in there. You can see there's 4 notches down there inside the wall flange. We got a tool that fits right inside those 4 notches, gives you the leverage you need to tighten it nice and tight. Again, it comes with the gasket. Now, it's important when you're tightening this together, make sure you don't over tighten and crack the wall flange. Just get it nice and snug. Again, for the plumbing, it uses 1-inch water and 1-inch air. Whenever you're gluing flexible PVC pipes to your jet, make sure you're always using pool-type PVC cement. It's the only one that's approved for flexible PVC. And that's everything you need to know about the microjet 10-5200 from Hydro. Any questions beyond this video, feel free to reach out. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.